Right chaps, here's a cross lock or a cruciform lock that Coach kindly sent me. 1, 2, 3. It shoots in 3 different parts to get a full lock. So that means we've got to pick it 3 times. And the key only goes in one way. And the only way I can get this to go is a bit of single picking, excuse me, and a lot of raking. So we'll go with the half diamond first, see if we can set some of these. One, and then we have to pick it again. And all the times I've picked this though, it's always this second catch that always takes the longest. Don't know why. Obviously the key weighs in a different position. Right, a bit of raking. See if we can get a bit of movement out of it. Gotcha. That's the second one. Nearly there. There we go. Now is that all the way out? Not sure. Soon find out. Nearly. One more to go, I think. Where are you? There it is. Done. Like I said, the key will only go in one way, and that's the way. 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Thanks Coach for the loan.